Good evening everyone. I welcome you again to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. Today we have taken up question number 8 of your NCERT exercise 6.5. See, we are given a triangle ABC. Point O is in the interior of triangle and OD, OE and OF are respectively the perpendiculars. We have to prove that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square, and also AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Let's try to prove the first one first. We join OA, OB and OC. Now in triangle OFA we have OF square plus AF square is equal to OA square, or AF square is equal to OA square minus OF square. This gives us equation number 1. Similarly, we get BD square is equal to OB square minus OD square, and CE square is equal to OC square minus OE square. When we add these three equations, we get AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. This is what we were to prove in part 1. Now to take forward to prove part 2, we name this equation as part number 4. Now again A square is equal to OA square minus OE square, and CD square is equal to OC square minus OD square, and BF square is equal to OB square minus OF square. This simply means that instead of OA square minus OE square, instead of OA square minus OE square, we can write A square. Here we go. And instead of OC square minus OD square, OC square minus OD square, instead of these two, we can write, see, OC square minus OD square can be replaced by CD square. Here we have replaced it. And again OB square minus OF square, OB square, this is here, and minus OF square can be replaced by BF square. So we have replaced it. So from this and this exercise, we get, from all these 4 equations, we get AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square. You have understood by now how did we get A square. A square replaces OA square minus OE square in this. Here OA square minus OE square. Similarly, CD square replaces OC square minus OD square here, and similarly BF square, it replaces these two. See, BF square is OB square minus OF square, OB square minus OF square. So we get a new equation, that is this one. So we have proved the second part also. Thanks for joining.